Welcome. Today, we are comparing two popular CRM platforms, Knowing CRM and Insightly. Both are designed to help businesses manage their customer relationships, but they offer different features and advantages. Let's dive in. Let's start with features, less annoying. CRM focuses on simplicity, offering basic CRM functionalities such as contact management, calendar, tasks, and lead reports. Insightly, on the other hand, provides a broader range of features, including project management, business intelligence, and workflow automation. This makes Insightly a more comprehensive, albeit complex solution. Next, let's talk about pricing. Less Annoying CRM offers a simple pricing structure of $15 per user per month, with no hidden costs. Insightly has a more tiered pricing structure, starting at $29 per user per month for their basic plan, and going up to $99 for their most advanced plan. If budget is a key factor, Less Annoying CRM is the more cost-effective option. User experience is another important aspect. Least Annoying CRM, as its name suggests, aims for a hassle-free, easy-to-use interface. Insightly, while offering more features, is often viewed as more complex and potentially overwhelming for beginners. If simplicity and ease of use are your top priorities, Less Annoying CRM may be the better choice. Moving on to integrations, Insightly offers a wide range of integrations with popular tools like G Suite, Microsoft 365, and MailChimp. Least Annoying CRM, on the other hand, offers fewer integrations but does integrate with Google Calendar and MailChimp. If your business relies heavily on integrations with other tools, Insightly might be a better fit. Performance is another key consideration. Both CRM platforms perform well, but users have reported that Insightly can sometimes be slow, particularly when dealing with large amounts of data. Least Annoying CRM, while simpler, tends to be quicker and more reliable in terms of performance. In terms of security, both platforms offer strong data security measures. However, Insightly goes one step further with its advanced security features in the higher tier plans, including data encryption, user access controls, and audit logs. If data security is a critical concern for your business, Insightly may be the better choice. Now, let's look at support and scalability. Less Annoying CRM offers free phone and email support, while Insightly provides email support to all users and phone support to professional and enterprise plan users. In terms of scalability, Insightly, with its more extensive feature set, is likely better suited to growing businesses. Based on our comparison, the winner is, it depends on your needs. If you're seeking a simple, budget-friendly CRM, Less Annoying CRM is your best bet. But if you need a CRM with extensive features, advanced security, and scalability, Insightly is the better choice. We hope this comparison has been helpful in your CRM selection process. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching.